I mean, this was being used uh, to show the back button. The back button is the one that we are updating. We are actually going to remove it. That's why this code is commended. So when you want something like 20%, this is 20 out of 100. So you can just say screen width times 0.20. That is mean 20%. Okay, so that's why we are using this const screen width dimension and get window width. So this actually means width should be included the size of width, and you can use a percentage there because native may not bring percentage, or if you bring it may bring as an error there. Okay? Yeah, so now we have something here which is not new. Const go to slide, nothing new here, nothing new here, because if it's web reference current page, go next. If it's Android, scroll by one is true, so you go next by swiping. Then nothing new still here. Const go to previous, go to previous. So if it's this one previous is not working because we have this we have this got to previous function, we have already commented it here, so it is not functioning. Let me show you this one over here, this on press, so it is not functioning. Even this custom button will not appear. So now we can say you can see this go to previous slide. So, this go to previous is not there, and also this current go -1 is not there. So also you can also comment this one, and also comment this one as well, because it is working about the backward movement, or the button that handles previous activities. Then we have save area. This one you all know. This touch box. This means if you just click on this skip, where this skip, you just go direct to the sign up. When you press, you go sign up page, and this is the skip we are talking about. Then we have